So this is gonna be our new build. 2013 BMW 550. Right here, hit a pole, something like that. Tree maybe. Kind of sucks missing a headlight. I was hoping it was in the backs and the seats or something, but there's nothing there. Really clean, nice and packaged, everything. Steering wheel, really nice. In the back, there's not really much room, but it's a sports car, so it doesn't really matter. Has some HRE wheels, but I think they're replicas. Who knows? You have to look that up. The rear end is clean. The taillight's broken for some reason. Didn't notice that on the auction, but it's okay, whatever. I'll buy a new one. All other sides are clean. Really no damage at all, other than here. It'll be a quick rebuild. So I just finished pulling this thing into the garage. That's bent right here. I'm gonna order a new hood. It's also bent like right here. I don't know if you can see that bent, but I'm gonna just order a new hood. The fender's cracked right here. Just gonna order a new fender also. The reinforcement bar is cracked. And I don't know, these things are swappable, so I think I might just order. It's like a bolts on right there. I don't know if you can see right there, the 3 bolts, and then this whole thing pops out. So I'll just order one of those. Hopefully there's no framework on it. All these plastics are broken. The intercooler is broken. I don't know if that's fixable. But yeah, looking under the hood, there's really no damage, really clean. But yeah, let's start ripping this thing apart. You guys just saw in the time-lapse video. Ended up taking everything apart. Realized it was just easier than just that one side because the radiators are broken, so I figured why not just take everything apart. I'm gonna go to the junkyard and get the whole front end right here. Basically, I need the whole front end, radiators, everything. I didn't take the hood off. I'll swap it out tomorrow once I get it. The new hood and fender, I'll swap both of them out. But other than that, it was really easy. I was actually surprised. It was really quick. It's a BMW, but this one was really easy to take apart. I was really surprised. But yeah, thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for part 2.